OkayRickk. Okay.
Yeah, your Instagram model, I know. I'm gonna throw that. Fellas, rule 1. Before you meet up with a girl, put some lotion on.
Ricky!
Yeah. I'm a dog, I pull up the fence. Trying to cut off my neck on my head. Every show I'm moving with sticks.
Damn, what a fun. I look like somebody's grandma, auntie. It's your boy. Wait. You better have you some of that sweet tea. Hey man, we back with another banger. It's your boy, OkayRickk. Okay. Gang, if you know the part of the OK, join the gang. We get lit, we drop bangers. And I'll make you suck your grandma, your sister, and your auntie, uncle wig off. But look, man, we got a video today, man. I really don't know how it's gonna go, but we finna go meet up with my good friend. The bitch is from Tinder. He's from fucking Tinder. Tinder! I hate that I look back on this video. I'm already telling y'all that right now. But, yeah, man, we got the super ready. I'm gonna flip the camera around, hold on. Got the super ready. She's a little dirty. Yeah, she's still a little dirty. Clean her up. But she'll make it today. But yeah, man, so we got a video planned for y'all. I don't know what I got planned, but hey, we'll see how this day go. I'm kind of like vlogging. I got my other camera right here. So we'll see how it goes. Let's get her started up there. Oh God, you hear them pops? Big Daddy. I ain't gonna lie, I'm looking mighty. Fellas, rule 1. Before you meet up with a girl, put some lotion on. Hey. Who we here with today?
You already know, Stacy.
Hey, y'all stop playing with her. See,
Don't play with me.
all the boys see y'all. I see y'all. I see y'all sipping already. Stop sipping.
Alright.
That's Gucci. Does it Gucci? Does it Gucci?
Yeah.
Oh, you hard.
I'm hard.
Hey, you hard. Stop playing. Oh, see. Hey, chill. Oh yeah, girls in the caddy. We see girls in the cat. Damn, my finger all in the way. I'm zoomed in. Oh, turn it off. We're gonna get copyrighted. Turn it off. That's that Drake. Girls in the caddy with the lemon pepper seeds, peanut butter seeds. What you call that shit?
You know.
Oh yeah.
Ricky, I didn't know you were gonna be vlogging.
Hey, dude.
I'm not ready.
Oh yeah. The plug gave you those?
Yep.
Yeah? Let me see. I'm just trying to get a thumbnail, you feel me?
Yeah.
I might put this in the vlog. Shit. Who you think you is? Let's see. Can I get a thumbnail? Let's see.
Okay, hold on. Let me get ready. I can pose. You just gotta give me time.
Y'all, she think this a photo shoot or something. You think you on Instagram? Yeah, your Instagram model, I know. I'm gonna throw that. Dude, this is a BMW, dude. It's a BMW, fool. What you think it is?
Toyota.
Say it again. Say it again.
Toyota.
Nah, BMW and Toyota made this car, dude.
Okay.
You say what?
Let me hop in.
I want to hit it with the lights. Ooh. Hey, you need to chill. You too funny.
Okay.
I like when it locked. It closed the mirrors.
It closes me? Damn, I just need this way. Okay.
What you gonna do? You gonna take pictures?
Yeah, just a picture. 2 or 3. Hi guys.
You looking good.
My fit.
Got the fit on, the ones.
Hey.
Hey, the
We got
fit.
We got the 22 inches.
22 inches? Now you, come on now, you styling now. It get dark quick out here. Oh.
Maybe I could sit in this thing.
Good picture right here?
Oh, right there too. Yeah, let's go to the rocks.
The rocks. You trying to take me on a date and shit? She's like, boy, please, you about to stop. You trying to take me on a date? No? I stay getting rejected, bro. Like, y'all, somebody, if one of y'all, come on now, y'all need to, I stay getting rejected.
Ricky, come on.
Oh, take your picture? But I'm gonna find me a girlfriend one day, y'all. Stop playing with me. Some of y'all be trying to play me. Stop playing me.
He playing you?
Yeah, dude. Behind the scenes, huh? Behind the scenes. I got you. I'm gonna flick you up, though. I'm gonna flick you up.
No.
Straight? My bad. I'm taking pictures like my grandma. That's how she take pictures. Damn. Hold on.
Okay, Ricky. Okay.
Yeah, best photographer out here. Hey, y'all come find me. You know where I'm at.
I think I want more though. Okay, the first ones are kind of blurry.
Bro, it's beautiful out here though.
We can work with these.
Hey, how y'all day going, man? You know, I got rejected and shit. So my day going somewhat all right. I gotta stop getting rejected out here though. I'm gonna make it though one of these days. You ain't gonna say nothing? No? That's what they do. They reject you and don't say nothing. See, I tried to tell y'all.
Just looking cute. You want a photo shoot too?
Nah, I'm good.
You want to rep your Lido outfit?
No. I'm gonna wait. Just as long as I don't get it dirty. I'm gonna wait. All right, round 3, y'all. I do the post for all the simps. To all you guys that's simping out there, that's the post for y'all.
Thank you.
What you asked me?
Like, do you have a license to carry?
To carry what?
You know.
that strap?
Yep.
That Glock 5?
Hey.
I keep it on me.
Keep it on you?
Hey, you want me to pull it out? Hey.
Oh my God, Ricky.
I gotta stop joking with you, dude.
Can we get in the car now?
Yeah.
Y'all see this? I have to open my own door.
Oh, come on, chill out. Let's redo that. Let's redo that. I'm gonna lock it again and everything.
And then you gotta do this.
Yeah, I'm gonna start the conversation. You ready to come on? Let's go. I can't call you boo or nothing, but I'm gonna just let's go, friend.
Okay.
Yeah, that's just hey, you fellas need to start taking notes. There you go. Hey, you fellas need to start taking notes. Take notes. So at the end of the day, yes, eventually I'm gonna find a bad one who is the one. Not just physically, but mentally and spiritually. You lame ass niggas. But until I find that one, I'm going to still fuck with bad bitches.